Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce the Pyle Compact Folding Adjustable Equipment Cart, a versatile 8-in-1 solution for all your hauling needs. This innovative cart can transform into various shapes, including a hand truck, dolly, platform cart, and utility cart, making it perfect for any load size and hassle-free transport. Equipped with durable R-track wheels and brakes, it ensures smooth and precise movement across any terrain, from gravel to grass. The cart extends from 25.24 inches to 40.24 inches, allowing you to transport large amounts of equipment with ease, and conveniently folds for compact storage. Constructed with heavy-duty, powder-coated steel, this rugged cart is built to withstand years of use, ensuring it lasts a lifetime. With a maximum load capacity of 200 pounds, it's the ideal choice for musicians, photographers, AV technicians, contractors, and more. Whether you're in the office, warehouse, or out on delivery, the Pyle PKE Q38 is your go-to solution for efficient and reliable transport. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.